Hello everyone and welcome back. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Manny and this is Grubberny. Today I'll be showing you how to make my delicious peri-peri lentil and baked sweet potatoes. I'll be cooking for a couple of people today, so over here I have 2 cups of split red lentils. The first step is to rinse your lentils to get rid of dirt and debris. For this recipe, you can use any type of lentils. It doesn't have to be the red ones. Once you're done rinsing, you can put it to the side so we can make our peri-peri sauce. For the peri-peri sauce, you can use anywhere from 6 to 12 parts of dried chilies depending on your tolerance level. Now, if you're using dried chilies, you want to make sure you soak them for about 30 minutes to an hour in hot water. While the chilies are rehydrating, let's go ahead and break down 1 onion bulb into smaller pieces. Next, you want to slice the skins off of 2 red bell peppers. Don't forget to remove the pits as well. Once you're done, you can add everything to a baking tray. Also add a bulb of garlic with the tip sliced off to the baking tray. Make sure everything is properly coated in avocado oil, then we're going to bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. It looks like the dried chilies have been properly rehydrated, so we're going to rinse them off. If you're using fresh chilies, there's no need to soak them, just rinse them off. Now that everything is ready, we're going to add them to a high-powered blender. Hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Next, we're going to add some ground fennel, black pepper, cumin, and dried basil to the blender. Add a thumb-sized fresh ginger peeled or whole, then add some dried dill. This is optional, but you can add a teaspoon of veggie bouillon. Go ahead and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground coriander, then add some sea salt to taste. For some smoky flavor and aroma, we're going to add half a teaspoon of liquid smoke. Add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika to further enhance the smoky flavor and color. To give the sauce a little kick, we're going to add about 5 tablespoons or more of lemon juice. Finally, to loosen things up and for ease of blending, we're going to add 1 cup of water and some avocado oil. Once that's done, we're ready to blend. The sauce is ready. On to the fun part. Add some avocado oil to a large skillet set to medium-high heat. Once the skillet is coming up to temperature, you want to quickly slice 3 or more scallions. Once you're done slicing your scallions, add them to the pan and spread them around. For that creamy texture and bold flavor, you want to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. To loosen it up and make it easier to mix, we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of water. Drop your heat to medium-low heat and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Before we move on to the next step, you want to set aside about 3 to 4 tablespoons of our peri-peri sauce. Add about 1.5 to 2 cups of peri-peri sauce to the skillet. Add 2 dried bay leaves. Next, we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of pre-rinsed lentils. Rinse out the blender with about 2 cups of water and add it to the skillet. Add 1 cup of coconut cream to the skillet. Add a few sprigs of fresh thyme, then give it a good mix. Bring it to a boil for 5 minutes, cover, and let it cook on low heat for 15 minutes. Welcome back. While our lentils are cooking, let's go ahead and prep and make our sweet potatoes. off the skin, then slice into thin slices. You can also use a mandolin, but it's just one potato, so. Since I didn't wash the potato skin, I'm going to have to give it a quick rinse to get rid of dirt and debris. Doing this will also slow down the oxidation process and stop it from changing color. Add the potato slices back to the bowl, then we're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of our peri-peri sauce. Now we're going to coat every inch of every slice with the peri-peri sauce while making sure they don't stick together. Line a baking tray with a parchment paper, then place your potato slices on it. Once you're done placing the sweet potato slices on the parchment paper, we're going to bake them at 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, let's check on our lentils. It's done, but I need to show it some love with about 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut aminos. Give it a good mix and don't forget to remove the thyme sprigs and both bay leaves. Once you've removed the bay leaves, you can go ahead and freshen it up with about a half cup of cilantro. Add your cilantro, give it a good mix, then take it off the stove. Serve yourself a generous portion and let's check on the potatoes. They look good to me. Add your potatoes to the lentils, add some fresh cilantro and some fresh lime and enjoy. This is a humble, cheap and delicious lentil and sweet potato dish I wish everyone could try. It's delicious, and to be frank, it's a very easy recipe to replicate. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you'll find the next video useful as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week.